for coming this morning. As you guys have known, my grandmother always supported candidates that not only mean but actually do good for the community. And so we're here again today to continue that legacy, supporting hopefully soon to be Senator Avalos. I haven't been in the Philippines for a long time now, but in my time here I've gotten to know him, what he stands for, and I know he will, if given the opportunity, will continue to do great things for our country.
Thank you. That explains the accent. He's a lawyer in the Bay Area for the longest time. Okay, at this point, simplahan ang natutuloy. As we all know, kung matagal na sa industriya, alam niyo kung gaano kabuti ang puso ng the great Lily Monteverde. Openly and publicly, pinapakita niya ang suporta niya sa mga deserving candidates at lahat na naalo. And ipuulitin natin ito kay Senator Benner these elections. But today, ang nagtuloy ng legacy ng Mother Lily, I'd like to welcome Ms. Rosel Monteverde. Ms. Rosel, please. You're on.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon sa inyo. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo at nandito kayo kasama namin. Sa tagal ng panahon, nakatira rin ako sa Amerika, 20 years. Bumalik ako sa Pilipinas kasi to the advice of mother to come back. My mother has been really a very good, sobra siyang loyal sa kanyang bansa. You know, she poured out her heart to really, you know, help the movie industry. At the same time, mahal na mahal niya yung kanyang bansa, kaya nandito kami every time na may election, gano'n, tumutulong talaga kami sa mga deserving candidates. And ito ako ngayon, umaga, hindi lang ako nagre-represent sa akin, pati sa buong bansa, na kailangan talaga natin na mag-isip ng mabuti kung sinong mabotohin. Ang taong nasa puso na tumulong sa buong bansa, kasi I'm sure lahat tayo maraming na rin pikon sa mga nangyayari ngayon. So, hinihikayat namin kayo na tulungan through your power as media na talagang i-endorse nyo ang taong kailangan natin mamuno sa Senado. At ito, si Benner Avalos. At matagal na po siyang naninilbi noon dati pa sa MMDA at sa DILG. At alam natin na kayang-kaya niyang gawin para sa buong bansa. No, para sa atin, para dito sa ngayon, talagang botoy natin si Benner Avalos for the Senate. Salamat po.
Thank you, Ms. Rosel. Damang-damang na kay Ms. Rosel para EJ, tulungan natin. Kasi tinutuloy niya yung heart ng nanay. So at this point, she is representing another industry organization. This time, she is the chairwoman of Mawal Fund. I understand. Chairwoman, right? Or president. Please welcome a dear friend, Ms. Boots Anson Rodrigo.
Magandang hapon po sa ating mga kapatid sa industriya. Of course, magandang hapon po sa ating honorary ngayon. At ang mga namumuno ng Riga na nag-sponsor po nito and took the courage to invite all of us in the industry. I'm here in two capacities. In a personal capacity po, and also, as Eric had mentioned, as chairperson of a private, non-stock, non-profit agency, film-related agency, that for more than 50 years has been a beneficiary of the Metro Manila Film Festival. Ano ho ang relasyon ng Mobile Fund sa ating senatorial? Matagal po siyang namahala ng MMDA under whose aegis MMFF fell. But before that, I'm getting ahead of my story. Let me tell you while I'm here in a personal capacity. Ako po ay na-request na mag-endorse ng mga ating po mga kandidato. But this is the first time that I am personally endorsing a candidate. Kasi naniniwala po ako sa kanya dahil nakita ko po kung paano siya magtrabaho. For the constituents at large through the DILG, and in a specific capacity sa MMDA and in a microcosm sa MMFF po. At doon po pumapasok sa palagay ko po ang relevance niya sa ating industriya. Hindi niyo po na itatanong in late 2024, I think it was December or November, nung hindi pa po pinagbabawalan ang mga TV stations na magtanghal ng mga kwento, ang mga adhikain tungkol po sa mga kandidato, ay meron po kaming ginawang autobiography, biography rather, on TV na ang buod po ay ang kabataan at serbisyo ni Senator Abalos. Going through the script, going through the rehearsals, going through the studies conducted by the network and the research, doon po parang na-affirm yung pong aking paniwala sa kanya, because that script was all about how he grew up and how he had served. At hindi nyo rin po natatanong, malaki din po ang paghanga ko sa kanyang mga magulang. Actually, ilang beses na kami nag-anak sa kasal ni Ben Sr. at nangisirang mother ko niya. And sabi nga po nila, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Kung anong puno, siyang bunga. At napakaganda po ng track record ng kanyang magulang at ang pagpapalaki po sa kanya. When we did that television biography, doon po namin nakita ang inside story ni Mr. Abalos, ni Senator Abalos. And I was just so taken, so impressed with how, di pa naman yung kampanya nun how pumapasyal po siya sa set, nagbababad sa set, to make sure po na everything went well, and more admirably, to make sure na accurate po yung dinabas sa script. Walang sobra, walang kulang, walang exaggerations, at as a matter of fact. So that's the personal side of my being here. And as the chairman of an industry that has benefited from the MMDA and MMFF through the years, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga beneficiaries, members, about 4,000 of them, na natulungan po ng MMFF under the aegis of Senator Abalos. Thank you very much for all the help. It was very personal, yung pong tinulong niya pagtulong sa amin. So maraming salamat po. And we wish you the very best. We wish the country the very best with you as one of our legislators. At I am sure na with prayers, with help and support, ay magkakaroon po ng additional titles sa kanyang pangalan, in addition to all the titles, this time as Senator. Salamat po.
Thank you, Tita Boots. Nakakatuwa, no? As we all know, yung Tita Boots, the ever charming Boots Anson openly, Boots Anson Rodrigo, openly supporting a senatorial candidate. Thank you, Tita Boots. Alright, so at this point, the man of the hour, without much ado, I'd like to introduce to you Senator Benner Abalos.
Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat, of course, sa magkapatid, Monteverde, si Atty. Keith and the Pusat. Thank you so much for, this is the most crucial time in the campaign right now. It's remaining 2 days. And of course, Tita Boots, while listening to you, ngayon ko lang na-realize that you haven't endorsed anyone in so many years. It's the first time, so I'm very thankful really for this, the three of you and the industry as a whole. Alam nyo, I started at number 35. Alagang nasa laylayan ako. Ako yung taong when I set a goal, I'll make sure I do all my best to attain that goal. Habang dumadaan ang taon, naging number 1, naging number 30, 25, 20. In fact, kuminsan may mga tanong na, alam mo na, tatamaan ka rin dahil tatanungin ka, kulilat ka naman ba't ka pa tumatakbo? May mga ganun talaga. Hindi mo maiwasan yun. But then as long as you believe in yourself, maniwala yun. As long as you believe in the goals that you've set in your mind, that has been my life story ever since. And now is the crucial 2 weeks to go. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, I got endorsement from Senate President Franklin Drilon. I got endorsement from Vice President Lenny Robredo. I got endorsement from Vice Ganda. At marami pang iba. The Liga ng Barangay ng Pilipinas, lahat ng barangay. The League of Cities. ULAP, the Union of Local Authorities. What is ULAP? ULAP is composed of the League of Governors, Vice Governors, Councilors, Provincial Board Members, Mayors, hanggang Barangay Captain SK. At kaliwat kanan. So, this is the last 3 days at lumabas ang SWS kahapon. Ang headline niya is that of all the candidates, I'm the only one who had a plus 6% increase. So, we're there. Kanina umaga, someone gave me this and sabi, Pulse Asia, sabi, you're within the striking distance. Ito na. Ang ganun, that machinery you're in. Coming from no less than Mr. Holmes. And all of these are really, sabi nila, doon mo makikita ang tunay na kaibigan. Hindi yun yung titulo ka sa taas, kundi kayo nakambaba. Andiyan ang kaibigan mo. And thank you for this. I've been working with the film industry for so many years now. Kaya kami siguro naging close na kita during COVID, yung mga baku-bakulan mo araw. And during the film fest, even the first one in the US, nalala nyo, magkakasama po tayo. And it's not anymore a promise, kasi nagawa ko na Nagawa ko rin advocacy ko for you because one day I would like to see our film industry go up with government subsidy. That's the only way. Alam niyo ba't ako naging close sa kanila? Isipin mo, COVID, nagpo-produce ng pelikula. Sino manonood ng pelikula ng COVID sa atong sinihan? It's all for the love and passion of the industry. So we should recognize that. And government should set in. Let's see other countries how they're doing it. Actually, nasabi ko ito kay First Lady, and that's when nagkaroon ng grupong gano'n. No? But with the Senate, eto na. And this is what I assure you. What we've done before, I will make it into a reality. We will look into these issues lahat and try to make laws out of this. No? I'm very methodical about these things. My record will speak for myself. When I was mayor, talahiban lang kami, but we became known as the economic tiger city of the Philippines, awarded by Malacanang. We were #1 in persons with disability programs, awarded by Joseph Estrada in Malacanang. We were #1 in being the child-friendly, awarded by Benigno Aquino Jr. We were #1 in nutrition, #1 in business-friendly, awarded by no less than the Chamber of Commerce. And also with reference to our children with special needs, ADHD, autism, special the poorest of the poor, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas. Nagtayo school for them. Nilabang ko sa United Nations. Out of 100 countries, ito ang nanalo United Nations Public Service Award. Project Teach, Therapy, Education, Assimilation of Children in Africa. All of this experience I will bring before the halls of the Senate and a lot more. My dear friends, hindi ko na po pagkakahabaan just for you to be here. One thing to know, 3 days, whatever happens, I really do not know, but what is important in everything that you do, you just give your best and leave everything to our Lord. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Alright! As early as now, congratulations na po. 6% na tinaas. Wow. At syempre, well-loved yung ating senator. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of industry people who are here, starting off with entertainment reporter, manager, kaibigan, kapatid, Noel Ferrer. Hi, kapatid, thank you for coming. And of course, representing, pwede ba yun? Pero siya rin mismo from industry, pero he is representing Quantum Films ang mom niya. Nico Antonio. Nico, who is also an actor na napakasipag. At syempre, representing Viva Entertainment, Phoebe Walker. At ang mahal natin. Everybody knows you. MMDA Chairman, Romando Artes. Ayan. Thank you all for the support. At syempre si Tita Bus naman, acknowledge ko na. Okay, nagmamadali siya pero who else? Sino? Saan? Oh my God! Ito na naman ako. Of course, from Idea Percy Intalan. Thank you for coming. I didn't know na pumasok. Okay, nagmamadali siya pero kailangan ko ibigay sa kanya microphone for the beautiful questions. Here's the editor of Abante, June Lalin. June? Okay, hi June.
Yes, good afternoon.
Well, happy birthday pala.
Thank you.
Kailan naman din?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Thank you. Yeah. Pero, syempre, Rosel,